Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Saturday morning and we're on our way to Southampton New Forest area for a few days break. And we're just waiting for Ash to come out of the petrol station with our breakfast because it's 8:30 in the morning. Here he comes. What do we have for breakfast?
Donuts.
No, we were supposed to just have a sausage roll, no donuts.
Southampton wins for the
Terrible. In the New Forest and we're just trying to see if we can get on this site for one night before we head off to another campsite. We've just been driving around seeing all the animals, so hopefully we'll be able to film some later.
Not sure if you can see down there, it's some donkeys just wandering around.
It's so cute.
All the animals, and there's a horse down there. All the
Might
animals
catch them
wander around.
later. Just driving through to find our pitch. You're allowed to pitch wherever you like here. Obviously you have to keep apart from other people, but it's quite nice because you can find a spot that you like. There's a toilet block. They don't have showers on here or electricity, but they do have toilet block and obviously toilet emptying facilities and water facilities. All the caravans are down there. It's quite a big site, isn't it?
Yeah. They said the further away you go, the quieter it gets.
Yeah, so we're going.
Got some visitors to our pitch. There's a little baby one.
Good morning from a hazy campsite. It's OCKNELL Camping in the New Forest. It's quite a wild campsite. There's no facilities as such apart from drinking water, waste emptying, toilet emptying, and there is a small toilet block. There's lots of, I think there's about 10 of these sites dotted around the New Forest, ranging from £10 a night up to about £25 a night, depending on the facilities, but they're great. You turn up, you can park where you like, there's lots of space, you get a few animals wandering around during the stay, and it's like almost like wild camping in the New Forest. Obviously you're on a site, plenty of good for walking and mountain bike rides. Yeah. Good little place, and I think we paid £15.50 a night for here, so it's quite good.
This is some of the site. Quite empty now, people are going, you have to be off by 12. There's quite a bit of room, as you can see. If there's a few of you, you can always pitch up together. There's a few hard standing bits, concrete. There's a separate section just for tents, for people who've got tents. And you can even have a seasonal pitch here. And there's a few caravans over there that have been left, but it's a massive, massive site.
Yeah, well worth a visit, especially as it's cheap. If you don't need electric hookup, if you're quite self-sufficient, you can off-grid. It's about as close as you'll get without being off-grid.
So yeah.
Morning everyone.
Here's Hayley washing up.
Doing the chores. Thankfully not much to do. 2 small plates and 2 cups. Yeah, lovely morning, but it's a bit cooler today, so that's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, nice bit of breeze today.
Bit of breeze, so yeah, we're just packing up to head on to
another campsite.
So we'll see you a bit later on.
Could do with some more stickers for our sticker wall. If you see yours.
Yes, we need more stickers.
If you don't see yours, get them sent.
Just some more stickers.
And we'll send you some of ours.
Yeah.
Right, we'll see you a bit later.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Please drop us a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with the rest of our travels. See you all soon.